Hello my loves, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Makeda Dezarae, and in today's video we're going to be doing some self-care to go from dusty and crusty,
bombastic side eye,
to fine and sexy. Now let's get into it. So first I'm starting off with oral hygiene. I'm just going in with some of my favorite products that I like to use that I highly recommend. If you guys have any other oral hygiene recommendations, please let your girl know and comment down below. But if you're interested in the ones that I'm using, the link is in the description box. Please do not be shy. But this is just a step that I like to do in my routine that is very important, that I feel like a lot of people don't take serious enough. Right now I'm going in with one of my favorite mouthwashes, not even one of, it is my favorite. I see what the hype is about. I don't like that the bottle is $15, but girl, let me tell you, breath be lasting all day, every day, okay? Next, I'm gonna put in my retainers, just, get my teeth a little right, a little bit. I keep them in for a couple hours some days. The next, we're gonna get into taking care of my hair. On this day in specific, I did want to wash my hair, but the night before, I kind of had a little cold. I had the sniffles, so I didn't want to wash my hair on top of that and get even more sick. So I'm just gonna oil up my hair a bit. I'm going in with some distilled water and oil, trying to just, get some of the kinks and ninks out and kind of give my hair a little brush, a little TLC, if you will.
I already been on this road, baby, for ain't no rookie, baby, you'll make time for me. Oh, what you tryna do? I won't be rude. There's a jacuzzi on my block. Baby, if you wanna make you a quick stop, oh, I can give you what you need. There's a jacuzzi on my block. Baby, if you wanna make you a quick stop, oh, I can give you what you need. What you need.
So my shower routine is probably my favorite part of self-care. There's just something about a nice, clean, fresh shower. You come out smelling squeaky clean and nice and juicy. We love that. First, I like to rinse off with hot, lukewarm water. Then I like to go in with my sensitive skin Dove soap, and I wash my face. I wash my face in the shower. I don't know about y'all, to each his own, but that's what I do. Next, I like to use this same soap, and this is the soap I use to clean my hoo-ha, okay? My goodies, all right? And I like to go in with a nice rag, soft rag, and I like to get it real lathered up. After I'm done with that, I like to go in with my Dove body wash on like a scrub type of rag, because I feel like the regular rag just doesn't scrub enough, all right? It just doesn't do it for me. And I like to mix it with my peppermint soap by Dr. Bronner's. I come out feeling like a 5 mint gum, and we love that. I just feel like this scrub just really gets all the nicks and crannies. It really actually scrubs the dirt off, and it makes me feel clean. But again, to each his own. This may be a little too much for everyone's skin type, because I do use this every single day, but for some it may dry you out. So give it a try, let me know what you think, but I absolutely love it. immediately after my shower, I like to go into body care just so that I can lock in that moisture before my skin dries down. First, I like to go in with a lotion. I really do like this lotion. I like the thickness of it, but I do wish I could find a lotion that had a little bit more of a sweeter smell that still has that thickness that I like. And then once I'm finished with the lotion, I like to go in with a body cream, but I really only like to use this body cream, body butter, if you will. I like to use this on places where I have hyperpigmentation, so that's underneath my arms, underneath my boobs, in between my thighs, elbows, all of that good jazz. For loungewear, I'm just throwing on this cute little dress I got from Target. Okay, Target be having your girl in a chokehold because they really have some cute clothes, no cap. Next, I'm going to go in to a facial. Love doing me an at-home facial. It's very relaxing. I like to go in with my little nano steamer that I got from Amazon. Again, link in the description box. Please do not be shy. All right, and I just like to steam my face. This is like a little preparation for me before I get into doing my at-home dermaplaning. So first I do this, and then I like to go in with a little, a little cheapo depot eyebrow razor that you get from the beauty supply store. And I like to shave the excess peach fuzz off of my face. You'd be surprised how much hair is on your face until you shave it. It's absolutely crazy. And then once I'm finished with that, I'm gonna do a mask, and then we're gonna hop into my skincare routine. Now, I love me a good serum, and this one by Merit Beauty is the truth. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. It has your skin super glowy. It's really helped me with evening out the skin tone on my face, and it has a really nice slip, and it's scentless. Like, what's not to like? I really like it. The only bad thing I'll probably say about this is if it touches your eyelids and it gets in your eye, it does burn, but I'm sure that's with like any product that's not supposed to be in your eyes. But other than that, I highly recommend it. I like to chisel my jaws a bit, give myself a little face massage once I put this serum on, just kind of romanticizing my skincare routine. And then once I'm done with that and it dries down a bit, I like to go in with my holy grail moisturizer of all time, hydrocortisone cream. If you know, you know. This is what you use on mosquito bites or rashes, and I put it on my face, and it just works for me. It's absolutely awesome. And then once I'm done with that, I like to go in with doing my brows, and I'm just gonna go in with my edge control. I usually don't fill in my brows often, so I use this to just give me that little bushy brow look, and I brush it in, and I like to seal it with my edge control by She Is Bomb, just to lock in those brows so they stay in place all day. For lip care, I'm going in with my Vaseline just as a first layer of moisture, and then I'm going to go in with a gloss. Right now, my favorite gloss is this Merit Beauty. I'm sorry, Merit Beauty just has a lot of good products. I ain't even gonna lie. This right here is a lip tint oil. As for someone that is a puffer on that broccoli, okay, this really helps with giving my lips that nice pink color, and it kind of plumps them up. And this lip gloss is not sticky. Like, 10 out of 10 recommend. I'm just saying, just look at it, just get into it. You see the juiciness, you see the shine, all right? Stop playing with your girl. This is not a game. Next, we're gonna get into just trying to fix up these locks just a little bit, just so I can feel just a little cute. You know, it doesn't matter what you look like, it doesn't matter what you have on. If your hair ain't done, it's not giving. So I just wanted to fix it up a bit. So I'm just kind of fixing up my edges and putting it into a little cute little ponytail. I have a little scarf that kind of matches my dress, so I threw that on. We're gonna get into the edges and yeah, get into it.
But we don't need to rush. There's something about you, immersed inside my mind. Maybe it's a sign, 'cause it's already over. Already over. Already over. Already over. Already over. Already over.
But this is the end of today's self-care video. If you guys enjoyed it, smash that like button. Comment down below if you would like to see more videos like these. And if you're interested in any of the products that I use in today's video, all the links are going to be in my description box. But I love you guys. Subscribe to the channel. Join the Glow Gang family with your girl Makeda Dezarae, so you can get more videos like this. I love you guys. Stay sexy, Glow Gang, and I'll see you in my next one.